Today is the 8th of February, 2021, which is a Monday, and the time right now is 10:40 p.m. Budapest time, and these are my daily results with Mohini Trade, probably the strongest forex trading robot in the world. And this is my day on the DAX 30 chart using the M5 zoom, where each and every vertical bar stands for 5 minutes of trading time. My day began right there. You see the big gap by the tip of my finger, and it started with a kind of false breakout, and then it corrected back down, or better yet, fell through the floor, as I always say, and then it was zigzagging up, and then it fell again, so it could do a little bit of a sideways action until, you know, my robot stopped trading. By the way, if this is the first time you're watching, my robot only trades between the hours of 8:30 a.m. till 10 p.m. So, you know, the market actually is open till 11 my time, Budapest time. So technically, I do not trade all day. So the breakout happened while I was still sound asleep. And Mohini Trade actually closed a couple positions from the past. You can see we have the swap fees kind of showing that these are positions from the past, from the 5th, from last week. And today was a weird day because, well, not just the false breakout, but it was not the continuation of last week. Let me switch to the H4 zoom. H4 means the 4-hour zoom. Each and every candle bar represents 4 hours of trading time. So this is last week. It's a continuous upward motion. It had a lot of tradable patterns. Look, I'm just going to switch to this. Yes, so you can see that, yeah, like this is already last week. It had a lot of tradable patterns, like big swings, big ups, big downs. You can see that. So this is kind of normal and tradable, but today didn't have as much tradable stuff as, like, this was a weird day. Let me zoom in. Hang on. Okay, so this was a weird day. Some tradable, but not as much as last week. But thankfully, as I showed you in the 4-hour zoom, it was a continuation that probably will come to a halt, because you see this is an all-time high for the DAX 30 chart. Even if I zoom out like maximum, you see the big dip in October, but this is an all-time high what we had today. So from today, I'm hoping the market's going to turn, and maybe this little curvely signifies. Let me just switch zooms. Sorry, I'm very clumsy looking through the phone. Okay, so I hope that today signifies a turn in the trends, because we're a little bit ripe for a little downward motion, a little more bearish market, because I can make some good profits if it goes down. It should go up and down and up and down, but if it keeps going up or if it keeps going down, it becomes boring. And also I'll pile up a lot of sell positions, and just don't leave me much room for making new positions. Anyways, let's see my results, my profits. So as you can see, 4 positions closed while I was sound asleep around 2 a.m. And the profits are like really not the penny profits that I normally do, like $6, $5, $5, $5. It's probably because the lines are volatile. The rise is very sudden, or was very sudden. So Mohini did the best. And today didn't have very many, and doesn't have very many of these $5 or $6 plus profits. It's mostly $1, $2, even the $2 ones are not so we just don't have too many of them, but we have a couple dollar ones, penny profits. That's what we had today. There's a $4 one, but it's mostly penny profits for the rest of the day, which is good. Oh, look, there's a $6.90. There's a $4.46, but $3. I'm not even sure I should point it out. But today, I only made, or Mohini Trade only made for me $105.20. And I say only because I'm kind of spoiled. Last week, every day was at least $140, $150 profit by the end of the day. But I believe it was because I had a lot of outstanding open positions. Let's see my open positions. You see, I have open positions even from the 3rd, which is last week. Last week, I had open positions from last week. Look at all those swap fees, $1.67. What the hell am I thinking, right? So I have a lot of open positions, and most of them are sell positions since the market was going up. The robot accumulated a lot of sell positions, but those are gonna cash in as soon as the market turns and things gonna start coming back down. If not, then I still have some buy positions that can turn into profit, and hopefully tomorrow the market will have and give us a lot more tradable opportunities, tradable patterns. But for right now, I have a total of 409, a little over $409 of open positions. Now let's see my balance. My balance is $4,611.56. My equity is $4,201.77, but that's because I have a little over $409 of open positions. My balance minus that leaves you with my equity. Now let's take a look at my MyFX book just to make sure things are as I say they are. I just hit refresh to silence the doubters. Are we gonna get an ad? No ad. Okay, great. You can see my gain currently is $343 and $343.72%. It's not dollars, it's percent. So my initial deposit of $2,000 has grown $343.72% within the last 2 months. Oh, and by the way, today's the 8th, and it's a very special day because I started trading on the 7th. You see, the 7th of December. So technically, yesterday I should have celebrated my 2nd month of tradership. I guess there's such a word. So I should have celebrated that, which I didn't. But within 2 months' time, 343.72% gain on an account. I think it's unheard of, or at least it is unheard of for me. Although I'm coming from the world of cryptocurrencies where 1,000x is not rare at all, but it doesn't happen every day and it doesn't happen continuously. All right, so let's see my story. I started on the 2nd of December with $2,000 deposit. On the 7th of December, I don't know why I waited that much, but I started live trading, and I traded until I reached $5,000, and that's when I withdrew $2,500. It left me with a little over $2,500, so I kept on trading, and now my accumulated balance is $4,611, or if you look at my equity, which is my balance minus my open positions, $4,265. So I think that's pretty neat for a trading robot with little to no supervision required. So, by the way, you can follow my live trading, my live verified, double verified trading. Here it is. The link is below the video in the description box where you can see all these dirty details. You can see my losses, my gains, my wins, and you can also see that my profitability is back to normal. It should be 95%, which means that 95% of the trades, Mohini Trades, wins for me, but loses 5% for me. On the other hand, 5%, it's not all Mohini Trade's fault because I closed a bunch of positions last Wednesday because I had to upgrade from 4.06 to 4.07. And I had to close some open positions because you can't switch a robot while it has open positions, right? So, yeah, there we are. There you have it. All right, people, that's the video for the day. And I hope tomorrow we can have some more neatly gains and clean profits, and the market's gonna come around a bit. Hopefully it's gonna hopefully it's gonna curl back down, and yeah, I think we would really need that. We would really need like a coming down part. You see, yeah, this is it. This was last week. Yeah, it's time to maybe sit on the top, but then slowly start coming back down. Sit on the top a little bit, then coming back down. All right, so that's the video for today. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all the good things. Peace out, guys.